What protection does Article 15 give women in India? Article 15 gives women a very important constitutional protection. It says the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds only of sex. That means the government cannot lawfully deny equal treatment to a woman simply because she is a woman. This is one of the clearest constitutional barriers against sex-based discrimination in India. But Article 15 does more than only ban discrimination. It also explains that women can receive special legal protection where protection is genuinely needed. Article 15(3) says, nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any special provision for women and children. So Article 15 has two sides. It blocks unfair discrimination against women, and it allows protective measures for women where fairness, dignity, safety, or real social conditions require support. This is a very important constitutional idea. Equality does not always mean identical treatment in every situation. Sometimes, the law must respond to actual disadvantage, risk, or exclusion. Article 15 allows that. So if a law is designed to protect women from harm, improve safety, or support real equality, that is not automatically unconstitutional discrimination. The Constitution itself creates space for such protection. For women, Article 15 matters in everyday life because it says sex cannot be used as a valid reason to push them into a lower legal position. A woman cannot be treated as less deserving of public protection, legal access, dignity, or civic respect merely because she is female. The state cannot defend unequal treatment by saying that women should accept a smaller role, fewer rights, or less freedom. Article 15 stands against that constitutional thinking. Article 15 also matters because it connects directly with access to public life. The Constitution says no citizen shall, on grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them, be subject to disability, liability, restriction, or condition regarding access to shops, public restaurants, hotels, places of public entertainment, and public places maintained out of state funds or dedicated to public use. So women are not only protected in theory. The Constitution also protects them against exclusion from public spaces and civic access on the ground of sex. This means Article 15 helps protect women from both direct discrimination and structural exclusion. It strengthens the idea that women are equal citizens who must be able to live, move, work, study, and participate in public life without being lawfully pushed aside because of sex. At the same time, it allows the state to create women protective laws where those laws are meant to secure equality in a more real and practical way. So in simple words, Article 15 protects women by saying this: the state cannot discriminate against them just because they are women, and the Constitution also allows special provisions that help protect their dignity, safety, and fair treatment. That is why Article 15 is one of the most important constitutional protections available to women in India. Know your rights. Understand your responsibilities.